friends, how are you? I hope everything is well, stay safe. And today we will talk about the Derma Clinica, that PRP treatment, which one I did already before 3 months. And I upload the one video of Derma Clinica PRP session. So today I will give you the some review of this therapy or treatment. And everything was good. Yesterday I taken my third session of that PRP treatment. This is plasma therapy, which one is taking from your blood, and again they will fix that plasma to your head, which area is bald, where you lost the hair. So it is a better option in compared to your hair transplant, I think. If you are totally bald area, then you can't do this PRP treatment. And if you are losing your hair, that means not too much but little area, then only you can go with PRP treatment. It is actually, if you want to check, this is the cheapest way also, because if you go for hair transplant, it is costly, maybe 1 lakh rupees, and Omani Riyal also more. And PRP treatment is in India maybe 5 to 10,000 range for one session, and in Oman also it is not too much, 50 to 80 riyal per session. That your PRP treatment recovery rate is approximately 70%, as I know, and I discussed with doctor. And hair transplant recovery rate is approximately 90%, but that chances is sometime if you are working the outside and field area, and you have to save your head from the heat, from dust, everything in hair transplant process, at least 2 to 3 months. So it is difficult to do these things because we are working outside and moving here and there. So better you can go with PRP treatment in any good medical hospital. So it is safe, I think, better options for everyone if you have any issue with your hair loss. But the thing is, you are losing your minimum hair. If you have more that issue, then you have to go definitely with the hair transplant. But if you are losing minimum hairs, so you can do this PRP treatment, and at least you have to do minimum 2 to 3 sessions, I think, as I reviewed that, because after one session you will cannot find the things, everything that regrow your hair. It will take little time. So at least your hair fall will be stopped once you will do the PRP session. You can see after 1 week your hair fall will be stopped definitely, and they will provide you some spray where minoxidil available, some percentage, 5%, 3%, according to your head positions, the bald area. So after one session, second, third, if it will not effective for you, then you can stop after second session, because in first 2 sessions definitely you will get the result. If you are not getting the result, and if you are not happy with that your session, that means it will not effective for you. So after second session you can stop that PRP. But as I did in Derma Clinica 3 sessions of my PRP, it was very good, and I will show you the photos before and after, what is the changes came, because every session you have to take in 1 month and 1.5 months, 4 to 6 weeks in rotation you have to take every session, and maximum you can take 4, 5, 6 sessions, but I think 3 sessions is enough. After 3 sessions you will get the best result. Now you can see the difference. I will show you the before photos also. This is the condition now much better, but this don't go for this marking, because this is my accidental marking. So this is from my class 3rd mark is here, so there is no hair. Definitely other area you can see what is the difference is coming. And really I want to say thanks to Derma Clinica and with Dr. Hossam, who did very good job, and he described me everything, each and everything related to PRP treatment, and what is the stages of your hair loss and all the related to these things. So thank you very much. This was my review related to Derma Clinica and PRP treatment, and I will suggest to you also, if you want to do anything related to your hair loss. So first thing, because it is not painless, you can see in video it is little showing difficult things, too many needles is going to your head, but actually it is not more painless, nothing. This is just only for 5 minutes. But if you go for that hair transplant, it will more difficult, I think, because your full head condition is not good and you have to take care of this at least for 5 to 6 months. So thank you very much. If you want to do anything, just if you want any question, if you have any question related to this, you can comment to in box. I will answer you definitely. And I want to say thanks again to Derma Clinica and Dr. Hossam, who did this job. Thank you very much.